Grade 10th, Chapter 6, Triangles, Exercise 6.2, continuation of problem number 3. In the last video, problem number 3, we stopped after taking the reciprocal. So after taking the reciprocal, we got MB divided by AM is equal to ND divided by AM. This is after taking the reciprocal. After this, we need to add 1 to both the sides. MB divided by AM plus 1 is equal to ND divided by AM plus 1. Next, let us use the LCM method. As we all know, we get AM in the denominator, MB plus AM is equal to AN ND plus AN. Next, now MB plus AM. MB plus AM is AB divided by AM is equal to ND plus AN. ND plus AN is AD. AD divided by AN. Now we have taken the reciprocal here, so let us take it back. What do we get? AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. And this is what we have to prove. So hence proved. So this problem is solved here. But I will tell you the reason why I took the reciprocal here. If I don't take the reciprocal, let us see what will happen. Okay, students, till here you all copying the notes. I'll just tell you the reason why I took the reciprocal. Let us see now what happens if I don't take the reciprocal. It was AM divided by NB is equal to AN divided by ND, isn't it? Yes. In the solution part, I had taken the reciprocal, then I added 1. Here I don't take the reciprocal, I will add 1. So AM divided by MB plus 1 is equal to AN divided by ND plus 1. Now using the LCM method, I will get MB AM plus MB is equal to ND AN plus ND. Now here AM plus MB. AM plus MB is AB divided by MB is equal to AN plus ND. So you get AD divided by ND. So here this was not what we had to prove, isn't it? We had to prove AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. This was to prove, but ultimately we will not get that. We get AB and AD, but we don't get AM and AN. So we have taken the reciprocal in the solution part. Did you get this, students? Yes. So by this method we get AB. This method we get AB but not AM. We get AD but not AM. We get AB, AD but we will not get AM and AN, which we need to prove. So we need to take the reciprocal and then add 1. Thank you, students. So in the next class, let us solve problem number 4 of exercise 6.2. Thank you, students.